is the country where the 33% reservation in the parliament for the women has not yet been accepted. As one of the opposing bench members have clearly recommended us to read Sandeep Garg's book of Class 11 Microeconomics to know more about the welfare schemes, I would recommend him gracefully Amartya Sen's book of Development as Freedom, where it was mentioned how development is not merely limited to the expansion of money and materials in the hands of people, but development is also the expansion of capabilities within the people. As one of the speakers took us a ride to the People's Republic of China, I will take him to a ride of a country which in 2000s implemented and made almost everything free. But in 2018, it met the highest hyperinflation rate of 130,000%, and in 2026, it fell prey to the victim of the foreign intervention of United States of America. Yes, I'm talking about the country of Venezuela. When one of the speakers have clearly mentioned about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's vision of equality, but Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is also the one who said the upliftment of the poor is measured through equality, not through that making believe the poor that they are rich for a time being because you have cash in your hands, because this is how the free welfare schemes have been there. Greetings, Honorable Speaker Sir and August House. I today stand here firmly in favor of the motion being passed today because there is a word of excessive. One of the speakers just before mentioned how we have been stick to the word of excessive. Why won't we? Because excessive use of anything is a harm to the society. Excessive drinking of water can lead to a seizure in your human body. So excessive use of any welfare scheme and money grant can lead to the heart to the democracy. Because I will like to say that there is a difference between a welfare scheme and excessive use of welfare scheme. Because in India, excessive use of welfare scheme turns into freebies. And what is a freebie and what is a welfare scheme? It has been repeatedly said by the opposing bench members that we are not clear about the definition of a welfare scheme. I would like to say why. Midday meal is a welfare scheme, but a free bicycle is a freebie. A free education is a welfare scheme, but a free iPad, a free laptop is a freebie. That shows how this is the difference between there. I would say about the two pillars. There are two pillars of the welfare scheme in India about the women, upliftment of women. That has been the argument that is put by the opposing bench members. There is Ladli Behan, that is Pyari Didi, there is Grihi Lakshmi, but yet India is the country where the 33% reservation in the parliament for the women has not yet been accepted. Yet India is the country that 20 to 25% labor participation of women is there, and it is compared as a huge gap between men and women. Yet in India, every 4.5 lakh across crimes are reported against women according to the National Crime Record Bureau of India, and every 16 minutes a woman is physically harassed in India. Those schemes have not yet been fulfilled to do that. They talk about education, the second pillar. The second pillar is education, how the free scholarship money and how it will ensure us quality education. But how it will ensure us the quality education? Because India is the only country where the majority of state universities are being run on contractual teachers. India is the only country where we see that there is 70 to 60% at the rate of private institutions, and the money is not enough to afford the education. So how quality education is being ensured? One of the members have clearly said about how we are chameleons. Yes, we accept to be chameleons, because a chameleon changes color for survival. We change the color for progress, because we need to change the definition of welfare scheme. And one of the speakers said it is the government. How ironical, it is the government standing up against the government. No, it is the government correcting the use of its own instrument of welfare scheme. When welfare scheme turns into freebies, it is an economic burden, as Supreme Court on December 9, 2024 said, instead of focusing on freebies, let us focus on building people. Honorable Speaker, sir, I would just like to say about one thing that is very core to our heart, about how freebies have disrupted because we are not self-capable. When you interview Mohan Sharma of GS Road, he says that the iPhone sale is very high in December because it is the time that the Ishan Uday scholarship is being disbursed. With the last, I would just like to say and wrap up my time that, Honorable Speaker, sir, it is very unfortunate that I cannot submit evidence of my research to you today, because you can see a free scooty parked outside the university under Pragyan Bharti scheme, but there is merely a printing store outside the university because the schemes have not been able to empower them to open yet. And this is how I rest my case, but not my cause. Thank you.